Well, you're just coming in. Trouble seems to be mounting for the Congress party in Punjab. Now, Sonu Sood's sister had joined the Congress party just yesterday. Now, we are given to understand that about 42 sarpanches and 32 councillors have resigned from the Congress following the development of the induction of Malvika Sood into the Congress party. Now, these people, of course, were supporting the sitting MLA Harjot Kamal for this seat. Now, what we understand is that this has upset several Congress ranks and they have now resigned. Let me go across to Amandeep. Amandeep, you know, the Congress party essentially seems to be moving from one crisis to another. The latest one, of course, coming in as it had gotten Malvika Sood to join the party.
Nupur, it was predicted earlier before Malvika's formal announcement to be made by the Congress party, and in fact Harjot Kamal, who is sitting MLA, he remained missed from the ceremony, and even his supporters, 32 councillors, 42 sarpanch has already resigned from the Congress party in protest, and in fact they are demanding that when the sitting MLA is here, how can you ensure the ticket from the Congress party to any new induction? And even Harjot Kamal himself is upset from the Congress party that how come this behavior can be tolerated inside the party just because tickets has not been announced formally, and Malvika Sood was given assurance that she will be getting ticket from the Moga just because before joining Congress party she already started working in the Moga constituency. And even Sonu Sood, Malvika Sood both announced it that Malvika is going to contest the Punjab Assembly elections, and even from the Moga itself, when Congress is having a sitting MLA from Moga, then again Congress party bringing Malvika Sood all of a sudden and without taking their sitting MLA Dr. Harjot Kamal into the loop. The Congress crisis is already expected into this situation. Now all of a sudden the entire team of the Congress party has been resigned from the Moga, and this is a big trouble for the Congress party as well as for the Malvika Sood. And even Dr. Harjot Kamal, who is sitting MLA, he himself is very upset, and in fact certain leaders trying to approach him to negotiate the talks and in fact to assure that he will be his ticket will be confirmed from some other constituency, but that is not happening on the ground. So this is how one after another Congress party is getting into the crisis. Earlier the situation was Channi versus Sidhu, and now when the things have come to the ticket distribution, again Congress party is facing so much crisis on the Punjab grounds, and this is a major setback. The entire team, 32 councillors from the Moga city, 42 sarpanch, elected sarpanch from the Congress party, all of a sudden in one day they all have resigned. A huge team of Congress party has been resigned from the Moga constituency. This is how the Malvika's entry turned to be the biggest disaster for the Congress party.
Right, so essentially we are seeing a lot of unrest within the Congress party over ticket distribution as well. For the moment, Amandeep, who's reporting from Chandigarh, thank you.